As we said, Blackstone, the private equity firm, was one of the buyers of GE's real estate today. The company also made another deal buying real estate investment trust Excel for $2 billion, and that expands its rapidly growing mark as a global real estate powerhouse. Diana Olick takes a look.
There is no real estate Blackstone doesn't touch. Landmark offices, apartment buildings, single-family rental homes, medical buildings, student housing, hotels, $81 billion worth of investor capital under management. Now, as part of GE's house cleaning, Blackstone adds $14 billion more.
In this market environment, it's very difficult to place a lot of money all at once. And given the amount of money that someone like Blackstone is clearly looking to put to work in the market, it would be very difficult to cobble together a portfolio of that magnitude, one or two properties at a time.
About $3 billion in office properties in Chicago, Southern California, and Seattle, as well as billions more in commercial properties and mortgages across Europe, Australia, and Mexico.
They must have a relatively bullish outlook on the sector overall. Otherwise, we wouldn't be talking about the kinds of dollar volumes that they're clearly talking about in this case.
Blackstone has been in the news most recently in its hotel maneuverings after its $26 billion leveraged buyout of Hilton Worldwide in 2007. It took the company public again late last year. That was just after its sale of San Diego's landmark Hotel del Coronado early last summer, which Blackstone's real estate chief John Gray described to CNBC's David Faber.
The nature of our business, we have to sell. We have closed-end funds. We say our models: buy it, fix it, sell it.
Blackstone is now the nation's largest landlord in the single-family rental market, with more than 45,000 properties under its Invitation Homes. It continues to buy distressed properties, albeit at a slower pace.
At the peak, we were as much as $150 million a week.
Blackstone is taking advantage of a real estate market that's still in the early stages of recovery. With the exception of red-hot apartments, most sectors still have a long runway ahead, with plenty of potential for profit. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.